Hello, my name is Ankush Sharma and today's my topic is based on core Java. So I choose the object lifecycle in Java. So let's discuss about the main topic. So we all know creating object Java in Java is very important. Like we are creating the instance of the object in every class. So and we also know we can create object by using the new keyword. Like if I want to create any object, then using new keyword I can easily create the object of that class. So creating object, it means whenever we use new keyword and whenever we create the new object, that object takes place in the heap memory. Like that object gets memory allocated in the heap memory. But what after that? So if we are creating the object that is taking the place in the heap memory, it means that is the active reference of that object. But what if the active preference is gone for that object? Then what happens? In Java we have the GC, which is the stand for garbage collection, and this garbage collection is managed by the JVM, not by us. By JVM, it manages garbage collector, and garbage collector works in the heap memory. Like whenever there is any app object which is non-referenced, like that is useless object, and that area is allocating by that object which is non-referenced, which is unused and useless. So that time what happens? That garbage collector clears that object. It means clear that particular space so that new object can take place there. Okay, so this garbage collectors continuously work in that heap memory. So like first of all, when we creating object, and if that object is active referenced, then that time garbage collector will not affect on that object. But if the work is done by that object, then that time garbage collector JVM manage that collector, and then that then after that destroy that particular space. But before destroying, it calls the finalize method. Like we have the finalize method. It means whenever our object is non-referenced and useless, that time it automatically calls the finalize method, and if that finalize method works, then after that only garbage collector clears that particular space. We can take the example. If I want to create an object, like simply my name is Ankush, so if my class name is Ankush, then I will easily create the class name. We all know how to create object, like class name, object name is equal to new class name and parentheses. These are the syntax of the creating object. So if I am creating object Ankush, and let's say the object is equal to new Ankush, it means we are creating the object of that instance of the class So that time this object will take place in the heap memory, but this time it is the active reference. Like this is working in this class, that's why this time will not affect the garbage collector. But if my work is done, like we create any method, so we just if my object name is object, then I will just create by call the object dot whatever method name I am using in that class. Like if I having the sleep method, so I will just clearly call the object dot sleep. That time sleep method will call by using the object. So it means this object is working and active referenced in that class. But what happens if the work is done and that object is non-usable, like useless, and this has no reference? That time it will call the finalize method, and after that JVM will manage that particular space. We all know that Java is a strong memory management. This is the main reason of the strong memory management. Like Java JVM has a garbage collector, which is GC. GC has also two types of GC, the young generation GC and old generation GC. But today young generation is working, so that time This is the main reason of Java is a strong memory management. So that time, if my object is useless, that time this clears the memory. That this is how objects get created and objects get destroyed in Java. Thank you.